What's up, y'all? It's Landon Grubbs with Laced Up LLC, and today we got a pair of Air Force Ones, just pure whites. Um, Beat down, yellowed, laces are dirty. We're gonna get all that fixed up right now. My boy wanted them back in like 6 hours because he had a party to go to out of town. I said I got you. So let's get into it.
I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie.
To start off, we're going to use the soft bristle brush that just gets all the soap sudded up, get it all around, get all that surface dirt, start breaking down whatever is on top of the material. And you always want to go in circular motions. Back and forth is okay, but circular motions is the most effective and efficient way to break down dirt and grime and get stains out of materials.
All the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time.
Now that we're done with the soft bristle brush, we're going to go in with the medium bristle brush. It's a little bit tougher. It helps get more dirt up. It's a little bit rougher on that material, which leather needs a rough brush to use on a material. It's not delicate, so medium bristle brush will not mess it up. And now, after we're done with that, we're going to hit the midsoles and the outsoles with a stiff bristle brush. This is going to get all that dirt and all that yellow brown stains. It's going to get those up and lift those up out of that rubber material. So just going back and forth on these. Not really much space to do circular motion, so back and forth, just a lot of elbow grease, a lot of hard work, a lot of sweat is put into these midsoles, so that's what we're going to do. Now you can already see the difference in where I cleaned with a stiff bristle brush, but I also want to go in with a wire brush that's a little bit tougher than a stiff bristle brush. Obviously wires, it's brass or steel wires, will dig into that material and that will let us achieve what we want.
You stay on, baby, you stay on my mind, stay on my mind, stay on my mind.
Now after cleaning off with a stiff bristle brush and a wire brush, we're just going to go in with an X-Acto knife. You can do that with an X-Acto knife or a flathead screwdriver, anything that can poke, a toothpick. We're just going to get whatever dirt and gum out of those soles.
I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I gotta stay inside. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh.
Now I'm about to use cotton balls and acetone. The leather's still more on the yellow side, brown side, so I'm just trying to clean up certain spots that have stains that weren't coming out. Cotton balls and acetone will get that done. I can also get stains out of the midsole, out of the outsole as well.
Too hard to handle, things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't.
Now onto the insole, just dirty. He's the owner of these shoes. He's not selling them or anything, so I'm not trying to get that footprint out, but I am trying to make it cleaner. This will eliminate any odor, fungus, anything like that, any stains. So that's what I'm doing, and also doing that to the inside of the shoe. Obviously the material on the inside is a yellow brown tint, so we're gonna get that back looking white as possible.
On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness.
My favorite thing about these restorations are the laces. You know, you always have to get the laces clean. Dumping them in the water in solution, scrub them between your hands, drain the water out, and go back and repeat. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. After that, you want to strain the water and soap out using the towel method that I use. Just tightly squeezing around those laces and pulling them will drain those laces of all water and soap.
Time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you.
So we're ending up on this restoration. We're just going to lace the shoes up. Obviously look a lot better than what they did before. I just wanted to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. That would be very well appreciated. If you have any comments, please say them. Any feedback, say all that. If you are in need of a restoration or a cleaning, hit me up in any of the links down below. I'm linking my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and my email all in the description. So y'all have a good one and finish this video.
Finesse, I see you. Finesse, he can do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you. Finesse, he can do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. the distance.